Most people think building an AI app requires coding. It doesn't. Google launched something that changes everything. It's called Google AI Studio. And with it, you can build real AI tools with no code. Let's break it down simply. Google AI Studio is a workspace built for everyone. Students, creators, small teams, or anyone just curious about AI. At its core, it's simple. You describe the app, and AI Studio handles the rest automatically. No coding, no configuration, no complicated tools. Just ideas becoming real apps in minutes. Let's actually try to build something real right now together. From the Google AI Studio homepage, go to the panel on the left and click the Builder tab. This brings us to this simple prompt box, which we use to describe the app we want to build using normal, everyday language. No coding at all is needed, just words. So let's see if Google can actually build an app from a single sentence. Let's say we want to create an app that transforms long-form content into ready-to-post social media posts. Before building, we can choose which model the app should use. You'll see two options here, Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 2.5 Flash. Gemini 2.5 Pro is the more powerful model, better reasoning, ideal for high-quality content generation. Gemini 2.5 Flash is designed for speed and efficiency, great for simple, fast responses. For this demo, either one works. Now let's click Build and let the AI start building the app for us. You can see the progress here. And once it's done, the app will appear in this preview window. And down here at the bottom, we can use this chat box to ask the AI to make any changes we want to our app. Change the layout, add features, adjust styling, all using just our words. Once again, no coding is required. Now we just wait. And here it is. The first version of our app is fully built. And impressively, it took just about a minute. The app is designed to transform long-form content into posts for Twitter, which we'll rename to X, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. You can also select a tone for the post, and the final output appears down here in the results box. Let's actually test this. In the input area, let's paste a link to a long blog written by Google. And let's choose LinkedIn as the target platform and keep the professional tone selected. Now click Generate Post and scroll down to see the result. This is seriously impressive. The post reads clean, professional, and honestly looks ready to publish as is. And like we talked about earlier, we can refine the entire app using the chat box below. Remember, this app is just the first version, functional, but basic. We can just use our words to make the design better, add more features, adjust the layout, or make it more user-friendly. For example, instead of Twitter, we want the label to say X. Just type that request into the chat box, and the AI assistant will update the app automatically. Once you're happy with your app, you have several options. You can save a copy to your Google Drive, download it, save it to GitHub, deploy it publicly, or share it directly with others. And that's it. We just built a fully working social media content generator in minutes using nothing but plain English. Here's the truth. AI is moving fast. Don't get left behind. Start building with it. Google AI Studio makes that easy. Simple, clean, and surprisingly powerful. If you've ever wanted to build something with AI, this is where you begin. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to keep learning AI fast.